Evelyn? You're Evelyn, the little girl who won the 5th grade spelling bee last month, right?
Yes, Mom.
The bird you won? The goldfinch. It came from this pet store. Do you remember me?
No, Mom, but I remember the bear.
I'm Tori. So, how's your goldfinch? Did you name it?
Goldie. Goldie got away.
Oh, well, that's a shame. When I was a little girl, my granddaddy and me, we caught birds and we built wooden cages for them in April. The time of birds.
My granddaddy likes the small things too.
So, how did Goldie get away?
I opened her cage door.
Oh, well, why would you do something like that, Evelyn? Now you need another bird. What color?
Yellow, but I don't have any money.
Oh, well, when a bird dies in the store, there's an accounting for the books. Let me get you this yellow canary. No charge. Can you keep a secret?
My granddaddy taught me to keep secrets.
So why do you like yellow birds, and why did you open that cage door, Evelyn?
I like yellow birds because when I let them go, I can see them for the longest time and no